Hello students, today we are going to see last chapter of Math second, that is mensuration. Now first we have to find formulae to find surface area and volumes. Now for various steps, that is first cuboid. Now first we draw the figure cuboid. Here this is length of cuboid, this is breadth, this is height. Now first formula is lateral or vertical, म्हणजे उभा पृष्ठभाग, lateral or vertical surface area of cuboid. Now here this is vertical surface area, length L, this is a rectangle. Now area of this rectangle is length into this is height, that is LH. असे किती भाग आहेत? समोरचा एक, पाठीमागचा एक, that is 2LH प्लस साइडचे दोन BH, this is B, this is H, that is area of this part is BH. असे किती भाग आहेत? दोन भाग, that is 2BH. Taking 2H common into bracket L plus B. 2H into bracket L plus B. This is the formula for lateral surface area. Is equal to 2H into bracket L plus B. Now second formula, total surface area of cuboid. Total surface area समोर 2LB, खालचा भाग आणि वरचा भाग दोन सारखे, याचा एरिया काही लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड, that is 2LB प्लस ब्रेड इंटू हाइट, असे दोन भाग आहेत 2BH प्लस समोरचा भाग आणि पाठीमागचा भाग असे दोन भाग आहेत 2HL और 2LH. 2HL ह्या तिन्ही मधून 2 कॉमन काढलं तर काही 2 इंटू ब्रॅकेट LB plus BH plus HL. Therefore, formula is 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Volume of cuboid. Volume is length into breadth into height. That is LBH. Volume of cuboid L into B into H. That is LBH. Now second figure, cube. Now in cube both are same, but here length, breadth and heights are all equal. त्या फिगरला करायचं cube. Now first formula is lateral or vertical surface area. सर्व भाग सारखे, vertical भाग किती? तर 4 आहेत. एकाचा एरिया काय? This is a square, therefore L square. Side square, area of square. असे 4 भाग आहेत, therefore 4L square. Here lateral or vertical surface area, that is 4L square. Total surface area, याला किती पृष्ठभाग आहेत? बाजूचे 4, वरचा आणि खालचा असे 6 भाग आहेत. प्रत्येकाचा एरिया L square, therefore 6L square. And volume of cube, volume काय? Length into breadth into height. तिन्ही equal आहेत L, therefore L into L into L, that is L cube. This is volume. Next figure is cylinder. Now this base upper part and this lower part, these are of circle. A circular cylinder, this is a cylinder, this is called height of cylinder. हा खालचा भाग सर्क्युलर आहे, त्याची रेडियस स्मॉल r. नाउ कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर. फर्स्ट फॉर्म्युला, कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर. समजा हा सिलेंडर आहे, कर्व्ड हा सर्कल आहे, सर्कल याचा सर्क्युम्फरन्स काय 2 पाय, म्हणजे कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर म्हणजे याचा सर्क्युम्फरन्स आणि इनटू हाईट म्हणजे काही कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर इज इक्वल टू 2 पाय r into h. 2 pi r h. That is circumference of base into height. Total surface area of cylinder. Total surface area काही कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया प्लस वरचा आणि खालचा भागाचा एरिया, हा सर्क्युलर भाग आहे, पाय आर स्क्वेअर प्लस पाय आर स्क्वेअर म्हणजे 2 पाय आर स्क्वेअर. 2 पाय आर स्क्वेअर म्हणजे प्लस 2 पाय आर स्क्वेअर, त्या दोन्ही मधून 2 पाय आर कॉमन काढलं तर काही 2 पाय आर इंटू ब्रॅकेट आर प्लस एच. बरोबर येतं का पहा. 2 पाय आर स्क्वेअर म्हणजे वरचा भाग आणि खालचा भागचा एरिया प्लस कर्व्ड सरफेस एरियाचा 2 पाय आर एच कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया म्हणजे काय आलं टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर. व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर. Volume of cylinder is area of base into height. Base चा एरिया काय pi r square into height is h. This is volume of cylinder. Now next, number 4, cone. Number 4, cone. Now this lower part of this cone is like it is a circle. Radius of this circle is r. This is called height of cone h, and this is L. Now this angle is of 90 degree. Now first formula is slant height. Slant height L is equal to slant height L is equal to, formula is L square is equal to, by using Pythagoras theorem, this is right angle triangle. L square is equal to height square plus h square, r square plus h square. We have to find slant height, that is L is equal to square root of r square plus h square. This is slant height of cone. Number 2, curved surface area. Curved surface area is equal to. Now curved surface area of cone, formula is pi r l. Pi r l. Number 3, total surface area. Total surface area is equal to, total surface area is curved surface area plus area of base. Pi r l plus pi r square, त्या दोन्ही मधून pi r कॉमन काढलं, pi r into bracket r plus l, that is pi r square area of base into pi r l, that is curved surface area. Number 4, volume of cone. Volume is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Pi r square h. volume of cone. Next, number 5, sphere. Sphere. This is a circle and we can show this is a sphere. या पद्धतीने स्फियर दाखवतात. Now this is radius r of sphere. Now first formula is surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. Number 2, volume of sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r square, pi r cube. 4 upon 3 pi r cube. And next, number 6, hemisphere. स्फियर गोल आणि हेमिस्फियर म्हणजे अर्धगोल. दिस इज हेमिस्फियर, रेडियस r, अर्धगोल. नंबर 1, curved surface area is equal to पायाचा किती 4 pi r square त्याच्या निम्मा येईल कारण हेमिस्फियर आहे अर्धगोल. therefore त्याच्या हाफ म्हणजे किती 2 pi r square. नंबर 2, total surface area of hemisphere म्हणजे काय कर्व सरफेस एरिया प्लस याचा वरचा भाग कसा आहे एरिया ऑफ टॉप. दिस इज ए सर्कल pi r square, that is 2 pi r square plus pi r square, 3 pi r square. And number 3, volume of hemisphere म्हणजे याचा निम्मा म्हणजे किती येईल 2 upon 3 pi r cube. 2 upon 3 pi r cube. This is volume of hemisphere. Now these are the formulas. Now we have to find example. We have to solve examples in practice set 7.1. Now practice set 7.1. First example is practice set 7.1, example number 1. Find the volume of a cone. Find the volume of a cone. Find the volume of a cone if the radius of its base is 1.5 centimeter and its perpendicular height is 2 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Now here we have to solve this first example. Find the volume of a cone. आपल्याला कोनची व्हॉल्यूम काढायचं आहे. If the radius of its base, first write down here we have given radius of its base, that is r is equal to 1.5 centimeter, and its perpendicular height. कोन मध्ये perpendicular height कशाने दाखवतात? h. Therefore h is equal to 5 centimeter. We have to find volume of cone. Now volume of cone is equal to, now what is formula volume of cone? 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3 pi r square h is equal to 1 upon 3 into value of pi is 22 upon 7 into r square, value of r is 1.5, therefore 1.5 into 1.5 r square into h is 5 is equal to, now dividing by 3, here dividing by 3, 0.5. Now multiplication of first two numbers, 22 into 5, 110, this new point is here, 11.0. Multiplication of these two numbers, 15 into 5, 75, that is 7.5. Multiplication of these two numbers. Now divide by 7 is equal to, this 0 get cancelled. Multiplying by 11 into 5, 11 into 5, or 75 into 1, 75 carry 7, 75 plus 7 is 82. Divide by 7. Here 82.5 divided by 7. Now dividing by 7, 1, here is 12, 1, 55 point, one point 55 7 608 405. Therefore 11.785. उत्तर लिहिताना दोन डेसिमल पर्यंत घ्यायचं आहे. This is if this is third term is 5 or more than 5, then add 1 here in second term, second number. Therefore is equal to 11.79, and this is volume, therefore centimeter cube. Therefore answer is 11.79 centimeter cube. Therefore write down answer. Therefore the volume of cone is, the volume of cone is 11.79 centimeter cube. This is the answer.